the Soundcore Spirit Dot 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Spirit Dot 2 True Wireless Earbuds by Soundcore. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and an assortment of air wings and ear tips. The Spirit Dot 2 features 5.5 hours of listening time, 16 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you 1 hour, and it takes 90 minutes to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a small compact design with a matte finish, and it has the logo on the top of the lid. On the front of the case, you have the charge status LEDs. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid slides to the side to open, just like the Liberty 2 and Pro series. It's smooth when it opens and it's very sleek. Inside, it has a glossy white finish, and the earbuds are easy to remove from the case. Earbuds are small in size and have an ergonomic shape. The ear markings are on the inside, and on the outer face you have a large surface for the touch controls along with the logo. It has a matte finish. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, interchangeable air wings, LED, touch control, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward. It's a matter of pressing a few times to activate playback and call controls. The case comes in at 3.1 by 1.7 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 50 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you. I watch you fall apart, like pouring water over your fading spark. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single like oh he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundcore Spirit Dot 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Spirit Dot 2. I found them to be comfortable. They seated well in my ears and it created a nice seal. It felt secure and the air wings really add additional support. Touch controls don't add pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable. I like the design of the case and the way the lid just slides open. And the white glossy finish provides some nice accenting. The earbuds don't protrude out as much and have a nice slim profile. Touch controls work with no issues and are responsive. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5.5 hours and 16 total with the case. USB-C and an IPX7 rating are definitely nice to see. Now when it comes to sound, this didn't disappoint. I'm a big fan of the Soundcore sound signature, and this definitely had it. Bass comes in pronounced and tight, not airy or overwhelming, but precise, and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs come in clear, not too forward but just enough, and there's good depth and separation. Vocals and instruments do stand out, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. It has an energetic, immersive sound experience. Overall, I feel that Soundcore has come out with another great pair. This will definitely be excellent for those that lead active lifestyles, as the IPX7 rating will protect you from the elements, or if you just want to use it for daily casual listening or commuting. So that is my review of the Soundcore Spirit Dot 2. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.